Alright guys, so today I really wasn't going to record this. I didn't want to, but I had to because today was absolutely nothing went to plan. Everything went to shit. There's something I want to read to you guys. Steve Jobs embraces a 80-20 signal to noise ratio in his work prioritizing high impact task signal and minimizing distraction noise. So today I needed to work on this. I needed to work on this. Woke up, started off the day pretty good, did my walk, came back home, started recording the video for tomorrow's upload, got the intro ready, and then all of a sudden my camera stops working. Spent 2 hours on getting my camera working and then changing the camera angle and then changing OBS. All noise and didn't focus on the signal. And after I ate and sat down and I realized, like, dude, I thought about that 80-20. I was like, man, today I just basically focused on noise, no signal. Went back, focused for like 50 minutes before I had to go to work on just getting that intro finished so it can be ready for tomorrow's upload or today's upload, whenever you guys see this video. So, yeah, I had 5 things on my schedule, but the most important thing almost didn't get finished. But it did. I came back to it and finished it. So I'm leaving you guys with that today. No questions. I'm going to bed early. 80-20. When you wake up tomorrow, the most important thing, put it, matter of fact, just take a piece of paper and write a column: signal, noise. Your most important thing you have to do tomorrow, put it in the signal, and then everything else that's not important for that one task is noise. Tomorrow, my signal is getting my YouTube video uploaded and ready for Wednesday 10 p.m. release. Anything else is noise. I'm gonna leave you guys with that video, or with that note at the end. I'm out, guys. I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Peace.